हमारे यूज के लिए So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly teach him one method how to deal with it. Okay? And since we have lack of time, I'm just going to show it once or twice. And then you can practice it. Okay? So, yeah. And now, pick up one issue in your life which you want to deal. Pick up Angar issue which you want to deal. Let's see. You have it? Can you tell me the issue? Doesn't look angry person, huh? What do you mean by imperfection? What you mean angry with imperfections? Yeah. In one situation, what do you feel when there is you see people are imperfect? So tell me what happens to you. Take it behind. We are going to go through this again.
Irritates me.
Irritates you?
How I do this, it's wrong things.
Right? Or?
I downgrade.
Yeah, put it down. Very good. This is very honest confession. Honest confession.
And if I get low power here, I get low power and try to get what I want.
I will convince him.
And if I can't overpower him, I'll win.
How?
By manipulation.
Manipulation. So you know, this is what manipulation is. That's such a word thing. This is what manipulation. I manipulate him and convince him, right? लेकिन मुझे control चाहिए. That is what I say. Okay. So whenever there is imperfection, I get irritated and how do you feel inside? This guy is dumb. Are you getting me? How do you feel inside? You get there. There is anger and what do you experience? Just notice the situation. Just think of that situation. Yeah. Yeah, you shout. You don't want to shout, you shout.
I know.
Yeah, it will be inside. Okay.
And I try to make him understand what is
So, what are your experiences? Yeah, agree with the imperfection. You're getting irritated and there's a lot of anger. What's happening inside your body?
I am getting angry, getting nervous, losing patience.
The jaws are angry.
Yeah. My fist gets tighter.
What is tightening? That's how is express the anger. He really wants to be hit like that. I don't know.
My eyes start burning.
Left side? Eyes are down.
And I confusion.
Okay. So we just take this. You have to notice what's happening in the body. Not just say I'm angry. You have to notice what's happening in the body. Are you getting? I'm getting irritated. My fist is getting tight. My jaw is getting tight. मेरा बैक एकदम tight हो रहा है. मेरा सांस एकदम लंबा लंबा चल रहा है. ऐसा हो रहा है. उसको notice करना. And then give it a number from 10 to 0. 10 is maximum of anger. 0 is no anger. What is the number you will do? Just let it flash. 9. That's quite high. Okay. Then what we do is hold the hand, any hand, right or left. Okay. And then rub it and say, even though, keep saying after me.
Even though
I feel
angry
about imperfections.
about imperfection,
And my body goes tight.
and body was
My
tight.
fist goes tight.
This goes tight.
I want to beat up
Or beat up.
that person. I want to put that person down. I'm very angry,
Very angry.
irritated,
Irritated.
and
And
what? What did you say?
I will blow out.
I want to blow out, I want my anger to explode, but I hold it back, right?
Yes.
I hold it back. If given a chance, what would you like to do to the person? बहुत अंदर से बहुत कुछ कुछ है nothing to do that means touching the deeper area yeah ऐसा but I want to what you want to do to that person
But I still want to get what I want.
yeah but what you want to do to the person
And I put it, when you low power him, I low power him.
yeah I want to overpower the person I want to put down the person और ऐसे फोन के सिगरेट के साथ बाकी बोलते हैं रोड ना हो और क्या
And if I can't overpower, I have to very more.
yeah manipulate okay
And get it off.
yeah and I'm getting very angry you are only talking about the negative feelings huh yeah and I think the other person is so dumb so is a thinking doesn't have common sense foolish stupid idiot right no IQ dumb dumbo मेरे से क्यों नहीं ये समझदार अकल वाला सिंपल सा बात है but I still choose to now go ahead and tell you then repeat after me but I still choose to heal and integrate that part of me now I accept myself deeply and completely even though even though I feel very angry with imperfections with people who are so imperfect why can't they understand why are they so dumb thinking okay why I'm talking about is thinking why are they so dumb low IQ no common sense you have to say exactly what is saying yeah I feel so angry I want to burst explode I want to overpower the person he has to follow what I say but I still choose to heal and integrate that part of me love and accept myself deeply and completely now the third time even though I feel very angry with people who are imperfect I'm angry with imperfections I want to explode I want to burst with anger I want to put that person down I want to hurt him yeah I want to degrade him show him no he's such a dumb person foolish idiot stupid not like me intelligent but I say choose to heal and integrate that part of me love and accept myself deeply and completely put your hand here Dr. Naidu also close your eyes focus on your breath breathe in and breathe out as you breathe out say heal and integrate do it 7 times heal and integrate that is what you do 7 times and just notice what has happened as a change for good or for bad whatever what do you notice in yourself I want to find a different way to handle it. Yeah, anger level has gone down. How are you feeling inside? Very calm. This is different smile. You go smiling. Okay?
Now the conflict, like at heart I want to change and I want to let it go. I would accept the way it is, but somewhere I want to.
Right?
No.
When you see the two sides of karma, one side is saying accept it. That's a good sign. Now there is full anger, now there is one part saying, boss, there is one part that is coming and that is coming. You see the two sides are coming? Because one side of you is always wanting peace. In the world, all the wars are fought only to have peace. There is no war in this world to have more war. It's only to have peace. चाहे जो आपका religious war हो या countries का war हो कुछ भी या हमारे अंदर का war, it's only to have peace. But people don't know what is peace. That is why we are not able to achieve. Because the end result is not available. What is the number? 4. 9 to 4. Can you get that? That's like 60% down. How much time? 5 minutes. Now I'll do one more. We have to do it 3 times. We just focus on it. Now this time we say remainder of, means whatever is remaining. Or you can say the whole statement. Remainder of the anger of imperfections. The person is foolish. Doesn't understand. No common sense. I'm so angry. I want to explode. But I still choose to feel and integrate that part of me. Now I accept myself deeply and completely. You have to do it 3 times, you do it once only. Breathe in deep and breathe out. Yeah, 7 times. Very good. Very good. Close your eyes and notice what do you feel as a change.
Body taking over the mind, or you have the mind controlling the body, not the body controlling the mind. You are feeling calmer as the body has spirit. The mind will be calm. Let go.
What are you doing? Kindness alone.
That
Again, you feel the relaxation.
process
What is the number? What is the difference? Are you getting it? From 9, 4, 2. And now the last one we do it, we bring it to 0. 3 चाहिए, 4 चाहिए, जितने बार भी कर सकते हैं. Then we do it 3 times and then bring it down to 0. इसके बीच में he gets another thought that oh I am getting a thought that मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है क्योंकि मैंने किसी को ये बोला था और वो सुना नहीं, मेरे को बहुत गुस्सा आया. You can do it again. Ask how much is it? Again, you are bringing it again. Bring it down again. So like that you can keep bringing all that things down. And this you can use for anything. You can use it for headaches, you can use it for pains, you can use it for, because all of them come from holding back anger or negativity. Are you getting it? Clear on this? Third time again you say remember out and take it. So we are all going to do this. You want to leave? Okay, you leave. Because we will take over. So what we can do is that completely otherwise, okay, just show. Yeah, I'm going to do it. Please go, you have one for your drink. Please check it. We'll talk later. Tomorrow we are meeting on Wednesday. Yeah. Is it even written? अगर आपको जोर से नहीं बोलना है तो आप मन में बोल सकते हो. आप नहीं बोलना चाहते हो, मन में बोल सकते हो. Are you getting it? Right? आप किसी और ये कहीं पे भी कर सकते हो. ऐसे बैठे बैठे बस में भी ऐसे घुमाना वाला हाथ किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा. जैसे कि कोई म्यूजिक सुन रहा है, निकल जाए कहीं पे भी, इसी अंदर दुनिया में कैसे do it. Remainder and last of anger. Towards people who are imperfect. Angry with imperfections. I want to degrade them. I want my anger to explode. To love. But I hold it back. But I seem too soon. Degrade. That part of me. This close your eyes and notice how I do.
शायद जीरो हो जाएगा. सब बहुत गुस्सा और गुस्सा भरेगा.
ये भी निकलेगा नहीं.
You see that shift happening? अपने आप होता ही है. We are not done anything. कुछ भी ज़्यादा नहीं कर रहे. अंदर से निकल जाता है. You don't have to struggle too hard. How are you doing?
But I think there is a very strong sense of conflict.
It will be that we are not working on issues still. Because now because this conflict is अभी का नहीं है. It's a childhood conflict. It's a childhood conflict. Yeah. हमारे अंदर सब पहले का पर्सनल से आता है. That's why I said it's a practice. लेकिन झाड़ू का फिर पता साफ हो धीरे धीरे करते 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 वो जमीन भी साफ हो गई लेकिन झाड़ू से शुरू किया आपने एक बार then we work on the conflict. That is the next step. Even though I have this conflict within me, what is the conflict? Yeah, because इतने साल से बच्चा के रखा है संभाल के रखा है कैसे छोड़ेगा? That's why divorces don't happen so easily ना 10 साल 15 साल रखा है साथ में यार ऐसे फिर छोड़ेंगे कोर्ट में जाओ ऐसा ही Are you with me? Now we have to work on the conflict. Even though I have this conflict, then I don't want to let it go. I find it difficult to let it go. Because if I let it go, the whole world will come because मेरे belief में तो world चल रहा है ऊपर वाला नहीं चला था all these beliefs is carried. Yes or no? I am the only responsible for that person on this planet Earth. Rest all are irresponsible people. Imperfect people. I am the only perfect one. After God, before God, I am the one. But I still choose to what? But I still choose to what? Heal and integrate, don't let it go. Heal and integrate that part of me. Love and accept myself the way I am. Is it clear? वो फिर से करना पहले नंबर ढूंढो फिर से करो 0 तक लेके आओ फिर और आए और हाथ क्लोज करते रहो How are you feeling? We are not working on this clear because it's a long session. We can do it for maybe 45 minutes or something. One issue is resolved. So by the time we complete, by asking to close his eyes and go back, he'll actually find a source also. For very picked it up. Maybe as a small child or in college, very developed this confidence. Very developed because you are the eldest one in the family. Right? Eldest one in family. Are you getting me? And your mother likes perfection. He's like his father. Your mother is fighting. What's your mother? How is you? And that's why he wants the world to be better. So is he living his life or his father is living his life? That's how it goes. Can you get that? हमको लगता है कि हमारे साथ ये नहीं ये बहुत बड़ा पंगा है इसलिए कह रहे हैं और जब तक वहां ठीक नहीं होगा ये यहाँ ठीक नहीं होगा So we actually work transgenerational last generation before that and it can keep happening right but that comes later so this is how it is thank you let's acknowledge it there was this building में हमारा मीटिंग था तो हमारी बिल्डिंग में नया बंदा है नाइस गाय तो कुछ हुआ बातचीत हो रहा है यार पठान ना भूले बहुत गरम रहता है कभी भी now this is the belief system कि पठान ना भूले गरम so I have to be angry अरे बस गरम है तो उसको बताओ ना कि क्या होगा देखिए कुछ नहीं होगा but a belief system है like that we have to keep giving a belief system
Feeling on बहुत सारे लोग लाइट में
बिलीफ राइट है तो रखो ना यार अभी तुम्हारे घर में लाइट चालू है और बहुत लाइट हो रहा है लाइट क्यों नहीं फेंके हुए अंधेरा हो देखो लाइट लगा रहा हो बिलीफ सिस्टम जो राइट है उसको फेंकते नहीं है जो नहीं समझते उसको निकालते हैं ना एट नो पॉइंट इन टाइम यू से पॉजिटिव बिलीफ्स को ओके
then I have a question तो इधर एक्सपेरिमेंट क्या मेरे को थोड़ा थोड़ा ख्याल तो अगर I feel my let go of this company then I will तेरा complete का प्लान क्या है
how okay again see that is the greatest fear we have कि अगर मैंने छोड़ा तो मेरा क्या होगा मैं कैसे नया that's what I said you have to train in a particular direction नया तरीका हमें आता नहीं है that's why we don't give the world yes or no come here quickly this is his old personality come here quickly then we have hold it tight this is his old personality Say, I don't want to give up this. Say. How do I live without this? Right? No. Don't try to follow. How do I live without this? How do I live my personality?
How do I live without this?
Yes. But are you really happy with this? Because you are struggling with everything. Because तुम से रहे तो आप सामने सवाल लेके आ जाते हैं, चिंता नहीं है, शक्ल वहीं पे है, कोई थोड़ा ऐसा छोटा मोटा हो जाए तो लेकिन बड़ा चीज रहेगा, उनका वहाँ है, राइट हो गया। बोलो, I will not because this.
I will not give up this.
Now, you personally he actually wants because he wants to be calm, he doesn't want to have this conflict, right? This is no conflict. Hold it tight. Take this no conflict, calmly, without losing the patient. Without using the second. That's what he does. That is what he does in life. Time. I will not let go.
I will not let go.
Time पकड़ने का.
Yeah.
सामने वाला लेकिन दूसरा हाथ यूज करता है तो उसको अलाउ नहीं करता. नहीं करता. ऐसे कानून नहीं. Because you will not get anything new if you hold on to the word. And secondly, you don't even know कि अपने नए में क्या रखा है. आपको पता ही नहीं है सर. जब तक आपने वो कंपनी नहीं छोड़ा तो ये नहीं छोड़ा तो ये नहीं होता. उसको पकड़ के रखो ये नहीं आता. सर चलिए अंदर.
सर एक पॉइंट एक शेयर करना
बोलो.
सर हमारे प्रॉफिट नोट प्लस जो नया टीम लेकर आए थे हमारे तो उन्होंने मतलब जब लोगों से कहा कि ये एक्सेप्ट करो उन्होंने कहा हमारे बाप दादा जो है पुराने जमाने से ही इसको करता है हमको छोटे आपका उनको वहाँ पर भी यही से छोटा नहीं जाते पकड़ने चीज को पकड़ना नहीं करते.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Great. So are we ready to quickly do it?
Yes.
Take up that one issue you have with that person. जिसके साथ भी है, there's too much of noise and all that. आँख बंद करो, read whatever is there. See between 0 to 10. जब ये हो जाए तो even though बड़ा essential issue, मैं आपको बताऊँ. Just close your eyes quickly. Just go to one round. We cannot go to many rounds because you don't have time. You don't have time. Fast. Okay, just close your eyes. Look at that person or the situation. Situation देख सकते हो, person देख सकते हो, कुछ भी देख सकते हो. It will work for everything. Don't do it now. Put your hands down. First, notice it properly. Look at the situation. I guide you. You can do it again for the conflict. Focus on your breath. Notice the situation. Look at the thoughts you have about the other person, about the situation, the feelings you have, the words that are coming up, how the negative words. It could be yourself, towards others, towards the situation. Look at the behaviors that you have. With a deep and breathe out. Give it a number between score of 0 to 10. 10 being the maximum, that is the worst that can happen. And 0 is the minimum. That means everything is perfect. When you watch that, slowly open your eyes, or you can keep your eyes closed. Raise one hand up. Yeah, like this. Okay, आपके सामने रखो. और दूसरे हाथ से हेलो ऐसा दूसरे हाथ से आपको क्या करना है यहाँ पे कराटे चौक एरिया में अगर आप राइट हैंडेड है तो लेफ्ट हैंड ऊपर करिए और चॉप करना। ओके, और कहना है इवन दो आई फील, अभी जो जो आपके मन में है सब बोलो अपने आप। आई फील एंग्री अबाउट दिस, सब बोलो। I hate this person, I dislike myself, you can work on self also. Why I am so useless? Why does God test me like this? Why I am suffering in life? Why people betray me, cheat me? Why there are so many injustices in life? Yeah. Why don't I get justice in life? And when you are done, say, but I still choose to. Heal and integrate that part of me. Love and accept myself. Deeply and completely. Even though I feel. But I still choose to. Heal and integrate that part of me. Love and accept myself. Deeply and completely. Even though I feel. Okay. Keep tapping up. But I still choose to. Heal and integrate that part of me. Love and accept myself. Deeply and completely. Do it again. Even though I feel. और बीच में और भी कुछ आता है तो बोलते रहना, और भी नेगेटिव कुछ आता है तो बोल देना, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। But I still choose to. Heal and integrate that part of me. Love and accept myself. Yeah, put your hand on your chest. Yeah, close your eyes. Breathe out. And say heal and integrate. Do it 7 times. Breathe in and breathe out 7 times. Heal and integrate. Once you are done, put your hands down, focus on your breath. Just notice what are the changes in you, in your thoughts, in your feelings, in your behavior, in your attitude. Give them a number. Breathe slowly. Slowly breathing deep and open your eyes. having, how many of you felt a change? A positive change? Great. How many of you felt there was no change in it? Raise your hand, doesn't matter, going over here. Yet there is no change also, then there will be internal resistance to it, or that will not be the real problem. और ऊपर से जा रहे हो तो क्या तो रेजिस्टेंस होता है, अंदर से चेंज होता है, हमें चेंज होना ही नहीं, रेजिस्टेंस चेंज मुझे नहीं पता, are you with me?
The reason behind that thing.
It will not change. Resistance हमारा है ना, हम लोग हैं उसको. So that time we have to say, even though I don't want to change, but I still choose to heal and integrate. We will change. Is it clear? Anyone would like to share what you felt? Yeah.
But I want to give 0 point, but something is stopping.
So even though I feel I am much better, but I still feel there is something stopping me, but I still choose to heal and integrate. Choose to be calm. Are you getting me? Whatever comes, you can work on this. But how much was the number earlier?
It was 7.
Now,
I want to give 0.8.
so it's come down to almost 0. But there is something stopping. Because stopping is another blow in the So it is at 7 to 5 lines now. Anyone else? You.
Yeah, I was starting change only 1%. See, I scored that beginning 8 and it's go down to 7.
And how are you feeling inside?
Little bit calm.
Calm. Anyone else? You did it, huh? You also did it, huh? So what happened? Nothing? Gone up. And that's a good sign. किसी भी कचरा साफ करके तो बास आता है, नहीं कहता है? तो gone up is a good sign. That means वो बाहर निकल रहा है. I told you from tomorrow you may not be very happy seeing me. That's because a lot of things are over. And that's what I do. I open up things and make sure that they can go. वो जाते हैं तकलीफ पड़ता है. अब यही पता चलता है कि घर साफ करेंगे तो बात आने का और डस्ट होने का चांस है. That doesn't mean that my house is getting dirty. That doesn't mean my house is getting cleaner. You get that? तो मिलेगा तो चेंज ऐसा है. Are you getting me? That's why I said whenever you have a problem, give me a call. One of the things is you have to connect to each other. If you are here today, connect to each other. Do it more and more times with each other. You can do it with each other because sometimes you can't see it with yourself. And if you think you need more sessions like this, you can always contact. We can create something. Okay, that is what I can offer. Yeah. Anyone any questions? So last thing, close your eyes, focus on your breath. We just end the session with this. Focus on your breath. Focus on your breath. Notice your breath. This is something that you got to practice every day, 15 minutes, morning and night. And you can see transformation in your life 100%. Just notice your breathing in your nostrils. Do not force your breath. Just notice. Do not pull your breath, push your breath, nothing. Do not force your breath. Natural breathing. You just have to notice your breathing. Do not force your breath. Natural जैसे breathe कर रहे हो उसको देखो, जैसे कि आप बाहर से देख रहे हो अपने breath. महसूस कीजिए. How do you feel in your breath? How deep it is going? Just notice. Do not try to feel it or push it. Notice what are you feeling in your body. Notice what are you feeling in your nostrils. Notice what are you feeling in your body. Body sensations. Do not do anything to the body sensations. Don't try to change it. Do not try to move your body. Just allow those sensations to come and go as you notice your breath. At any point you have a thought coming in, or you get distracted by a thought or some memory, all you got to do is gently bring yourself back to your breath. Breathe deep and breathe out. Whenever you feel comfortable, stretch yourself. Noticing your breath all the time. Then nothing else. Stretch yourself. Stretch yourself completely. Then open your eyes. Okay. You want to share something? Yeah.
I'm so glad that after 10 years I am getting an opportunity at such a platform to share my story. My story began when I was in 5th standard. My teacher told me to read a English story that was a love story, and after that he told me to give a model. So I told that, man, this girl is such a dumb. So she said, why do you feel so? Look at this guy in this pic. I'm far better than him. She should love me, na? Why is loving him? The same evening I was in principal office. He was my relative. He gave me a good lecture that you are here because of me. I am paying for you. You have to be disciplined. I want you to be a good citizen. You are fine you. And I want to see that volcano coming out. I step out the office. I remember fire in me. So why should I make a volcano and destroy others? I should make a firecrackers and spread the joy with other people. So I decided that I have to go against it. I am willing to be funny. I will be funny. I don't want to be disciplined. It's so boring. Next day, sir का lecture था sir के, and I was not well dressed. We have to dress like this with a blazer and a top button open. So he called me, go to the washroom and change yourself and come back. So I came with my pants so high and top button closed like Devanand, and entered the class. The whole class started laughing. So he told me, Devanand बनने का देखो बोले. Everyone was laughing at me, but there was a man who was standing next to him. He tapped my shoulder and he gave me a smile. And after that, the bonding between that man and me was fabulous. One day I told him that all the seniors will comment on me, they pass comment that I am a monkey, I am a rabbit because of my things. So I have so much anger in me that I want to pick up that brick and I want to beat them with that. I want ये दांत तोड़ना चाहता हूँ. लोग मेरे दांत पे क्यों बोलते? So he told me, I am here since last 15 years. There is a relationship में किसी के साथ नहीं है. I have not been laughing since last 3 years, but 2 years make me laugh, and I want you to be the same with them. So every Saturday we used to go to Maharashtra. We used to play games. The school used to sponsor that. So I was playing Mario. So during Mario, मुझे उसकी बात याद आई and I thought that Mario, we are all the obstacles, beat all the villains, and at the end we were flat post. So I decided, yeah, I will be the same with those guys. And in the pencil race competition, I surprised them. I dressed just like a rabbit. I made them so laugh, so much laugh, and after that they came to me. What's your name? I told Taha. Taha, welcome to the school. And after that, they all respect me, and the person who saw me in me was the tune of that school. His name was Ramdas, and I am still in contact with him. Whenever I wish I went to Pankani, I have met him, and I love that guy because what I am is because of Ramdas. I was away from my parents, but Ramdas was there to look after me. He used to comb my hair all the time. Till now I also don't know how to tie the shoelace. But Ramdas used to do that for me, and I respect for him. I want to tell you, be what you are. Don't care about others. I love myself. I love my feet. everyone told me was big dark, chill, no dude. What I am best. I love you. If you want to love me the way I am, you are most welcome. If you don't, then I don't care.
So what anger today do and discipline today do? Now we require. So it's a choice. Either we can love or we can continue with anger and disciplining. Right? Or Ramdas is there. It's an awesome thing. Thanks for that.
Thank you, sir.
And so we bring the session to a so-called end. Okay, it's a new beginning for me every time. We know also. Okay. So thanks a lot each one of you. Thanks Ron for coming. Thanks everyone and everyone in the restaurant. Thanks a lot. Yeah. So,
We are part of Mexico and the whole family of Mexico and all the students like for taking the time out for years and coming all the years and some students may have already listened to Dr.Naidu, okay, and they have gained something out of it and you are really surprised with what you said about anger, the starting one, anger, it's good. So I almost 99.9% of the people are saying bad. Okay. So you change the thinking. I hope you will be applying it. Okay. In your life. Thanks a lot. On behalf of Mexico, sir.
In behalf of Mexico, all the staff and faculty members and students of the organization.
thanks a lot again. And as I said, you can give me a call. My number is 9808.
It's coming on the board.
It's coming on the phone. And then my email ID also, you can email me. This is the problem. Just write Mesto. If you are sending a mail, write Mesto. So that I know whom I am talking to or whom I am telling to. If there is a question to answer, I may not answer immediately. I can answer that day or next day. Or phone is always there. WhatsApp is also there. That is Dr. Naidu, 98208 0010. Dr.Naidu @gmail.com. Dr. Naidu IJID. DRNAIDU RAGID @gmail.com. Okay. We have our own charitable clinics also. Any support you require, you can always call on this number. I can put you across. So, a lot of things I will know. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
We'll have a group photo over here with the banner.
Yeah, where?